Adding 3D buildings to your Mapme maps has never been easier.
With layers, you can highlight individual buildings in just a few clicks.
First, open the Layers panel. Create a new 3D building layer, and simply click the buildings you want to highlight. Some buildings are made up of multiple sections, so just click each section to select the entire building. Next, give your layer a name and choose the color you'd like those buildings to appear in. Then, customize the visibility settings. By default, the buildings are always visible, but you can choose to display them only at specific zoom levels. Finally, make your buildings interactive. You can have them open a category or location when clicked, and even display the building name on hover, always or only at selected zoom levels. And that's it. In just a few steps, you can highlight 3D buildings on your map. Check it out, and if you need help, reach out through the chat.